I just think it's a philosophy of life, really. I mean, it's just so much easier just to be honest and just to tell the truth. I mean, it was the way I was brought up. And when you start weaving webs, or when I see people weaving webs, it never ends well. Never ends well. And even when the truth is inconvenient, as it often is, lockdown is another example. I was against lockdown by September 2020. And I mean, it was a really inconvenient truth back then, but now people see that what I was saying was valid. But it's the thing about life, very often I think I learned this in school, obviously off my parents and family, but in school as well. Bishop Hannon, Holy Family, great education there. And it was just drilled into us that the easiest way is not always the best way. And sometimes the right way is the most difficult way. And that's just the way the life is. And people supporting me in politics know that they've got somebody who will stand up and fight for what is right. I mean, left and right is gone. I see politics now as between right and wrong, essentially. And Propel is a community-based party fighting for communities from the grassroots up. And I think people out there generally just had enough of being shoved around by authority. So if you're fed up, Propel is a party for you. And we're not English millionaires either.